One.
Namaste, my name is Megha Thakkar. Today I am going to show you how we work with stamp game. 1 unit stamp, 110 stamp, 100 stamp, 1000 stamp. We have few discs here. Green color small skittle, blue color small skittle, red color small skittle, big green color skittle. This is introductory tray. 1 unit, 1 unit stamp represents 1 green small skittle. 110, 110 stamp, small blue color skittle. 100, 100 stamp, red small skittle. 1000, 1000 stamp, big green skittle. 1 unit stamp, 110, 110 stamp, 100, 100 stamp, 1000, 1000 stamp. Let's put back the work. $345. Let's compose this number with the number cards. Five units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. Represent with small green skittle. 40. 110, 210, 310, 410. Blue skittle represents 110. 300, 100, 200, 300. Red color small skittle represents 100. 345. Let's do the magic trick. This is 345. This also is 345. Thank you.